That is how we treat everybody in this agency, Shepherd. Like family.
Him, a me family.
What do you mean by that, Shepherd?
Bubbles. Top try play a fool for catch wise. You must know by now what I want. The entanglement.
Entanglement?
The one between him and me picnic. Yeah, the one me this find out about. Him and her. Them are dear.
Oh, you mean Patsy? Yeah, man, him did tell me about it. But how you handling it, though?
Well, them seem to be alright. Him seem to be treating her good. And she look like she happy. But if them did dumb now, then you know say same thing with her wrong.
But Shepherd, you that bad it up when you did younger.
Bubbles, I like you, know. Careful.
Sorry, sir.
Bubbles, me thought feel peckish. Give me a piece of that cake there before me go, no? Separate from the hunk where I give for me and Mildred, yeah? Just want to taste up my mouth.
Okay, Shepherd.
I see where the little girl, where her name? Tony Ann. I see where him getting big, mature. I prime up you now. Well, tell him say, if he slow down, you know if he move too fast, yep? And if he turn focus, thank you. Thank you.
Shepherd, you say you feel peckish.
Yes, remember the hunk where you feel cut one for me and one for Mildred?
Right, that's why you have to eat this now.
Yes, you don't worry about that. Just give me the hunk. One for me, one for Mildred. Alright? Sorry, me never did mean for you walk 2 times, but go along. Bubbles, I have to go to Top Hill now.
Shepherd, is what happened?
I have to find something white. Purification must take place. Light must separate from darkness.